Hey guys, it's Kyle here, and I got my new drink, but apparently no one came to my house. That's kind of surprising because I thought, it looks good. Please come. I'm really lonely. I'm sorry about that. Anyways, this is a fresh drink that's been frozen. If you look here, the nutrition facts. Go ahead and. I have gloves on because, it's so good that it's bad, So I just gotta remove the ice from 1,000 years ago. Let's go ahead and make that clear. Come on. 100% orange juice. Or, I think it was tea. Sorry, is it orange juice or it's a label, I don't know. That people kind of got mixed up in my factory. So it contains orange juice or tea from countries identified on bottleneck. Here, refrigerator shake well, it's refrigerated. You even got the barcode here. It even comes with a side of some plants. Simply orange. It is sort of orange. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up right now. Let me just put that in an angle. No. Okay. Look at that. Do you see that? Oh. I got some ice off there. Got some ice. I'm gonna freeze that right now. Come on, die. Okay. Come on. So we got a little bit out. Oh, gross! Oh, gross! It got all over me. Hold on, guys. I decided not to do that much damage to it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it an easier way, just to help me, You gotta be kidding me, dude. Simply orange. Drink up. No! Come on. Oh, it's all over my phone.